Howdy, Legendary Void here, and welcome to a Transformers TCG video. Today we're going to be opening up 12 booster packs. My sister's going to open up the first 6, and I'll open up the second 6 in a separate video. And we're going to make decks out of the cards that we get. So the rules for this little, I don't know, like tournament sort of style thing is we're gonna open up our packs and we're gonna make a 25 star team with the characters we pull, and then build a 25 card deck out of the battle cards. And Cammy is going to be opening up her 6 in this video, and I'll open up my 6 in another. And in the third video, we're going to battle with the decks that we make off screen. So, Cammy, are you ready?
Yes.
Alrighty, here you go. Go ahead and open them up. If you need scissors, let me know.
Alright. So, I'm not into this as much as Caleb is.
Yeah, every one of these cards that she opens up here, these are going to belong to her. My 6 are going to belong to me. But yeah, these will be the first cards that she owns, period. So,
yeah.
Alright, so. Okay. Ooh, a piece of Superion.
Dang.
Can I see it? I actually haven't. These are clean. Like, you fold it up like this. Here's a bot form. Here's the alt mode. Then here's the middle piece of him. Okay, that's pretty cool. He is the... Yeah, he's the leader of the aerial bots. So Silverbolt, if you would like to read him.
Alright. So, this one, bold 1, and when this attacks, and you flip at least...
What is that? When you flip at least a white, orange, and blue pip.
Okay. Flip him to bot mode. And then this one, when you flip to this mode, do 1 damage to an enemy.
Don't worry about me, I'm just opening up sleeves back here. Alright, we're gonna see. That should fit in these sleeves, I think. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, he fits right here. Alright, so here,
It's like
here, and then if you want to combine or whatever, take him, pull him out, boom, there you go. So we're gonna just sleeve him right here. Alright, and there's one guy for you.
Alright.
Let me get the trash can.
Okay.
Alright, you can put your trash right here.
Alright.
And if you can, try not to escape the desk too much.
I am not as good at opening these as I am at Pokemon cards. So
You're good. So it's 2 from the back.
2 from the back,
Yeah.
like that.
Yes.
Alright. So Sonic Scramble.
You don't have to read any of them unless it's a rare. So
Alright. I wouldn't know. Pep Talk.
that card's funny.
Draw 2 cards. Oh yeah. Swindled. Rest and Relaxation. Enforcement Batons. And then Bashing Shield.
That's a good card.
This is a good card get. Recon System.
Ooh. Okay, so this one is one of the new cards. It takes a star. So if you're running a deck or a set of characters that's 23 or 24 stars, you can run this for your 25th or 24th. So if you want to read it.
Okay. When the upgrader character is battling, flip 1 more battle card. Scrap one of the cards you flipped without using its battle icons.
So it's also a orange and blue pip, which is extremely versatile. So, and it's a utility. Alright, so if you can put all your uncommons, commons in this deck, and then rares right here. So.
Alright. There we go.
Next pack. Trash goes here. Alright, so we got one combiner piece. Can we get all of the aerial bots? Probably not, but you know.
That would be pretty cool.
Secret rare. Secret rare. I guess it's super rare technically, but.
Oh.
Well, that's a piece of Optimus Maximus. I don't know which one that is specifically. Ooh, Hot Rod.
Oh, yeah.
I know Wasi Plays is a big fan of Hot Rod. So.
Alright. So, tough 1. And then, when this is in your KO area and you flip to this mode, do 1 damage to an enemy.
Not bad. He's a car, so you could draw 2 cards. Alright, here's you a sleeve for boy here. Go ahead and slip him in. You got it?
Maybe?
You do it from the other side so you can. I'll do it.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my goodness, this is actually kind of hard. Hot rod, car mode. Here you go. I'm gonna just put that. So you got one uncommon and one common so far. It doesn't have to look pretty.
It must look pretty.
I don't know what battle cards are good in this set. I think the recon system is decent. I don't know if it's actually any good for a star card.
Okay, so Cornered, Sonic Scramble, Testify,
Testify's bad.
Handheld Blaster, Improvised Shield, Vaporize, and Intelligence Mission.
Yeah, that's not one of the very good ones, but go ahead and read it.
Alright, tap one of your untapped specialists that has 5 stars or more. Draw 3 cards.
I mean, nah, I don't like it very much because you're tapping a character. It's just not that great.
Yeah.
And pack number 4, baby.
3.
3. Oh my gosh, I can't count. What grade am I in again?
First.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Alright, what'd you get?
Oh.
Ooh, you got the Megatron of the set. He's just a common, I believe, right? Common, yeah. Like, you can read him if you want to.
I don't want to.
Well, read him anyway.
Okay. When you flip to this mode, you may play an upgrade. Cool.
Decent.
When this attacks, you may scrap an upgrade from your hand. If you do, draw 2 cards.
How many stars is he? 10. So how many stars do these guys have? Hot Rod has 7 and he has 5, right? Yeah, so we're going to leave it like that so it can show. Alright, so let me grab a sleeve for him. Right here he is. And he is a... Alright, we're going to lean him up. Oh, we can't lean him against that. Oh well, we're going to put him right there. Alright, so you got one non-combiner. That's pretty cool. Yeah, super, super cool.
So cool.
Alright, can you get a rare though? Maybe, maybe not. Who knows?
Sorry.
Oh, how dare you hit the camera?
Sorry. Alright. Sparring gear. Okay?
That's tough too, right?
Yes.
Alright, our first Enigma card, and it's for the Stunticon.
Stunticon Enigma. Field Communicator.
Is that a... Never mind. My bad.
Armored Plating. Security Console. And Confidence. And then Crash Landing.
Read it.
Put on planes only. When the upgraded character is KO'd during your opponent's turn, do damage equal to its total to a tapped
Yeah,
enemy.
that's it. It's total attack to the tapped enemy.
Okay.
Yeah, it's decent if you have planes. And you have a plane, look at that.
Wow. So special.
Alright, this time it's the 4th pack.
This time.
Can you get a super rare?
That would be pretty cool.
Do it.
Do it, I believe.
Blue Streak. Alright. Go ahead and I'll take your cardboard. You can read him.
No. Okay. So when this attacks and you flip at least a white, orange, or blue pip, flip to alt mode after the attack. Okay. And then another. Wow.
So like the main purpose of this card, right, is you attack in this mode, and then you flip all of that, right, and then you go to this mode, which got 4 defense and can defend. Next turn you flip back to where it's got 5, and then flip, and back and forth again. But again, white, orange, and blue is a little hard to do sometimes. But no. Oh, let me sleeve it real quick. And he's an 8 cost, so doing pretty decent on that. Blue Streak, Megatron, and Hot Rod equals 25, so I don't know. He's an uncommon, I think it was.
I think so.
Yeah, uncommon.
I can't open this. Never mind.
Can you get out?
No, I got it. Fine.
Sorry if the sound of opening packs hurt your ears.
Sorry. Alright. Here we go. Bravery. Spare parts.
That's such a weird picture.
Tech research. Bashing shield. Rest and relaxation. Sentinel Enigma.
Alright, that's your rare.
Wow.
Go ahead and read it.
Oh, sorry. If you have Optimus Maximus on the battlefield, scrap an enemy weapon or armor. And then if you have 6 Sentinels,
Yeah.
in bot mode on the battlefield and or in your KO area, combine them into Optimus Maximus, Ultimate Defender.
Right, if you could lower it just a little bit, so
Sorry.
you're good.
Pew.
Right. Pack number 5.
Get something good.
Come on, super rare. Super rare. I don't know why I'm staying forever to get super rare. That hurts me.
Super rare.
Super rare.
Right?
Ooh, a piece of Predaking. I don't know who that is.
Rampage.
Go ahead and read it.
Okay, Pierce 2, and then when an enemy is KO'd, repair 1 damage from each of your Predacons.
Alrighty.
It's pretty cool.
My goodness, it folds so well. Like, I didn't think trading cards would be able to fold cleanly, but this does such a good job of it. I'm gonna put it down here.
Alright.
Hopefully that's on screen. I don't know. I hope it is. It probably is.
Okay. There we go.
Keep it in the back.
Sparring gear. Superior jetpack.
Okay, this is just something I want to talk about real quick. These superior cards can only be played if you've played a tech research this turn. And there are 3. There's superior jetpack, cannon, and I think armor or something like that. But this one gives you Pierce 4, which is, I think, pretty crazy. The cannon one gives you Bolt 4, and the armor one gives you Tough 4, which is something that isn't actually like really common. That's why you have to play tech research with it, because it's such an overpowered effect. I don't know, I just wanted to talk about that.
Pretty cool. Swindled. Rest and relaxation.
That card though.
Underhanded tactics. Energon slingshot.
It's alright.
Fog of war.
Read it.
Each player chooses 2 cards from their hand and scraps the rest. Each player with fewer than 2 cards in hand draws cards equal to the difference.
It's decent. Maybe against bombshell decks that would be played. I don't know. Alright, last pack. Come on, super rare.
Super rare.
Well, you're definitely not getting a full combiner.
Nah.
He's an uncommon, so you got.
I got another predicate.
So did you get 4 uncommons so far?
No.
Another piece of Predaking. Alright. Well, you got 2 of those.
Alright, this one is Dive Bomb. Wow. When you flip to this mode, your opponent reveals a card at random from their hand. If it's in action, scrap it.
So you could definitely run a 4-white deck with Megatron, Silverbolt, Dive Bomb, and Rampage. I don't know if you would, but you know, that's definitely an option. Let me grab a sleeve.
Wow.
It's so weird folding a card. Like, that just doesn't feel right.
Right.
I mean, it definitely feels good on the card itself, but like, my like natural gamer instincts like, no, don't do it.
Why would you do that? Alright.
Last set of battle cards. Come on, get some good.
Okay. Wow. Stealthiness. Universal network access.
Draw 3 cards, broken.
Wow.
So broken, in fact, it had to be a star card.
Field repair. Fling. Testify. Handheld blaster. Aerial bot formation.
How convenient.
Put on aerial bots only. The upgraded character has plus
+1 attack.
1 attack for each of your other tapped aerial bots.
Well, that does nothing for you.
Poopy. That's so
next I'm going to open up my cards. So, yay! Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll probably release this video sometime soon after this one's released. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to whack that like and subscribe button for the next part. And have a phenomenal day. Peace.